Hey there, this is Laura from Aura Studio Space, and this is a quick tutorial on the Clarity and Purpose template. Now, this template is perfect for any life coach, business coach, leadership coach who wants to have a professionally designed website that is also able to take bookings. You can do that with this template. And before I get into the editor, I'm going to quickly go through all the pages of the template so you can have an idea of everything that is included. The first page is your home page. This is the front door of your business. Here you can talk about your approach, your achievements. You can introduce your programs. You can add testimonials. There is also a mailing list that you can connect to your email. You can also add call to actions and your contact information here at the end. The second page is your programs page. Here you can add all the details of your programs, like what's included, the duration, the payment information, and here at the end you can add the steps to working with you. The third page is your success stories page, and this is your social proof page where you can add in-depth testimonials or case studies where you show what the challenge was, the solution, the transformation, the client's testimonials, and you can do that for each of your clients so you can build trust. The fourth page is your About Me page, and here is where you share your story, your approach, and your professional credentials. The fifth page is the contact page, and here is where you are going to find your integrated Wix calendar that you can customize with your availability and take bookings directly on your website. Also, if you want to delete this calendar and install your preferred calendar like Calendly, you can absolutely do that with this template. There's more information on how to do that in your user's manual. Also, here there is a contact form that you can connect to your email, and you can also add your contact information. And there's an FAQ section here where you can add your frequently asked questions so you can have everything in one place. Page number 6 is a detailed single service page that you can use as a sales page for one of your programs and go more in depth about everything that is included, the phases of the program, how long it lasts, how much is the investment, and the testimonials. Page 7 you can also use as a sales page, but for your one-on-one services where you can go into detail about what you offer and your approach and how much the investment is. Page 8 is your blog where you can share resources and build trust, and is also great for SEO. Page 9 is an error page that keeps visitors inside your page in case they go to a link that is no longer available. And the last page is probably one of my favorite pages because it helps you save money on Linktree or any link in bio subscriptions because you have all of your links here, and it also helps you keep all of the traffic information inside of your own branded website. And now we're here on the Wix Editor, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to customize your template. But first, I want to mention that if you go here, you will find all of the pages of your template. If you go down here, you will find all of the pages, and you can change the name of the page. You can move the pages, and that will also change the order that they have on the side menu. You can hide a page, like in the case of the 404 page, which is typically hidden from the menu. You can add pages, and if you go here to this plus sign, you will find all of the elements that you can add to your template. So if you find that you need more text, more images, more buttons, You can go here and click on this and it will appear on your template. Now let's jump in. So if you want to change the text, so simply click on the text, go to edit text, and you can change the fonts, you can change the size, the colors. If you go here, you can actually edit the text. If you want to change an image, just click on the image, change image, and you can upload your own images. If you want to change this image in the background, just click on the image, change background. You can edit these numbers. You can, if you want to add more of your programs, you can click on the section, right click and duplicate and add more programs. If you want to edit the testimonials, just click on the text and edit the text. If you want to add more testimonials, you can go and manage slides and duplicate a slide or add a new slide. If you go down here, you will find a call to action and you will find the mailing list. There's information on how to connect this to your website and your email in the user's manual. Now down here, you will find the footer. Anything that you change here will also be changed in the other pages footer. There is more information on how this works and how to edit this on your user's manual as well. Now, one important thing that I want to mention is these lines. These are called grid lines. So anything that you place outside of those lines won't be visible in smaller screens like tablets. So it's important that everything that is important to know, like main text, is inside of this line. So you can guarantee that it will be visible on every screen. Now, one trick that you can do to edit your site if you are not sure how things are going to look is that you can duplicate a section. So right click and duplicate, and you can come here and edit this version, this section, and compare it to the main section. So this is like a safe or bulletproof way to edit your site without messing things up. You can go here and delete this. And another very important thing about your website is that it has a mobile view. So this is how your site looks on phones. So it's important that every time that you do any changes on your main site, you come here and make sure that they look good, because sometimes things move around and they don't look the same as they do on the main view. So it's important that you check and arrange things if they don't look good. Now, if you add anything on your mobile view, it won't affect your main page. So that's important to know. You can add things here and it won't affect your main view. Also, you can hide things on your mobile view and it won't affect your main view. And those were the basics on how to edit your template. There is more in-depth information on how to fully customize your template on the user's manual. And if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you. I had a lot of fun creating this template, so hope you like it. And thanks for watching this tutorial.